I've always liked Fear Factor. As a show, as a viewer, I always liked it. And there's no point delaying. I want to do it now. I want to do it now. I'm not telling you. ऐसी चीजें बताते नहीं हैं.
If I can talk about Rahul Vaidya in person. So you never got any good vibes from him. So, but after going to Khatron Ke Khiladi, just in case if you guys are teamed up together, how will you take it? Hello everybody, this is Rasika Deshpande and you're watching me on pinkfilla.com. Today we have on board one of the most charismatic personalities of television who proved to be a thorough gentleman during his entire tenure in the reality game show Bigg Boss. And now the handsome is all set to tap his inner daredevil personality as he heads for another reality game show, Khatron Ke Khiladi. And yes, you got it right. I am talking about none other than Abhinav Shukla.
Hi Rasika.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. What made you choose Khatron Ke Khiladi? Because this is a show that as a viewer, we feel we've seen you in Bigg Boss, right? We've seen you, outside Bigg Boss as well. So we know a personality that you are. You're very calm that way. And Khatron Ke Khiladi is something extremely that probably will push you out of your comfort zone.
See, as a viewer, when I used to watch Khatron, I have seen a few episodes, and as a viewer, when I used to see it, I used to find the tasks like fun, plus they are scary as well.
Right.
And they are challenging. There's a lot of challenge involved. There's a lot of luck is also involved. But yeah, making the right decision, handling your fear. So, it's a perfect place to do that.
Right.
You have fun, you get scared, but you learn how to handle that fear. So that's what the most exciting part for me is that I want to put myself in that situation. I want to see how I handle the fear.
Right. Okay. So, this is this is a new reality show after Bigg Boss that you're taking up, right? So what made you, choose a reality show immediately after ending a reality show?
I've always liked Fear Factor. As a show, as a viewer, I always liked it. And there's no point delaying. I want to do it now. Life's short. You never know.
If you see the list of contestants who are going on Khatron Ke Khiladi this time, I feel that it's like a mini reunion. It's like a mini Bigg Boss reunion happening at Khatron Ke Khiladi. So you have almost the same people whom you've already, whom you already know how they are in real. So do you think it is for an advantage for you in Khatron Ke Khiladi because you already know somewhere unka kya halka weakness hai ya kya wo hai? So do you think it will kind of make it a little easier for you or difficult?
Not exactly, because see, the tasks and the challenges which we do, they are individual. Sometimes they have, you team up with someone, but more or less, you also have to overcome it individually.
Right.
So I don't think having someone who you know from before is an advantage as per the tasks are involved. But yes, you have someone to talk to, you have a friend who you can share with, and it becomes more fun and it becomes more, stress-free, and you enjoy the whole journey.
You also have a few people in Khatron Ke Khiladi from Bigg Boss whom you never got good vibes from. If I can talk about Rahul Vaidya in person. So you never got any good vibes from him. So, but after going to Khatron Ke Khiladi, just in case if you guys are teamed up together, how will you take it? How would your reaction be, or what would your stance be then?
I don't know. I react to situations. So, life is all about action reaction.
Right.
That's Newton's law.
Right.
So I don't know. It depends on him.
Right.
You all saw how everybody behaved in Bigg Boss.
Yeah.
Now, if they don't behave like that, that means, that was a different personality for that. So,
right.
People just react. I will react to everyone how they are.
Right.
If someone is nice, of course I'll be nice. But yeah, there's no baggage from Bigg Boss. They have control or delete everything.
What is that one thing in the show, in case if you're asked to do, that you will not be comfortable at all? Because some people, they just don't like cockroaches over them. They just don't like scorpions over them, and etc. etc. So what is that one thing, since you have followed the show, that in case ये देखते हुए ऐसे लगा कि यार ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा भाई, मतलब मुझे नहीं करना ही नहीं, मुझे ऐसे कुछ है that one thing that you absolutely don't want to do?
I'm not telling you. ऐसी चीजें बताते नहीं हैं.
पता चला वही करने दी आपको वहाँ. I think Khatro Ke Khiladi is of what, 2.5, 3 months, if I'm not wrong. How long is it? 3 months, right? So
I think no, not 3. I think it's till June end, yeah.
June end, right? So we're hoping that you stay till the end, and if you do manage to stay till the end, you'll be probably missing out on your anniversary, if I'm not wrong, right?
One cannot travel.
Yeah.
Super say I'll be there, yeah.
Yeah. So then, I mean, मतलब एक तरीके से ये भी है कि मुझे वहाँ रहना ही है till the end, और एक तरीके से anniversary भी मतलब unfortunately long distance में मनाई जाएगी. So फिर आपकी उस टाइम की क्या, I think it's too early to answer कि उस टाइम की क्या plans है, but I'll ask.
See, I had plans, but ये lockdown 2 आ गया.
Right.
And then, I don't know how other countries, there are a lot of travel restrictions.
Right.
So let's see. Let's keep our fingers crossed that everything gets अगले कुछ दिनों में ठीक हो जाए सब, and we bounce back to normal.
How did she motivate you despite being low on her front?
She said, have fun. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, there's no point doing it. So that is all. That's all the motivation I need. Of course, I need to enjoy it because she knows I'm an over-analytical person. At times, I'll get too worked up with details.
Right.
So she said, that's fine, but enjoy the process as well. I said, yeah.
So yeah, I think Abhinav, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your time, and
Thank you.
really
Thank you for your time.
Best. Yes,
Thank you so much. Bye.